Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Today we have a story called A Happy Mall Shopping Day. You will hear many common words and simple conversations. Together we will learn daily English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. It was a bright Saturday morning. The campus was quiet, but Lori and Jerry were already awake. They sat in their dorm room, sipping coffee and talking. Lori pulled open her closet and showed Jerry her favorite hoodie. The fabric was faded, and the zipper was broken.
My hoodie is falling apart. I really need a new one. And I also want to check out iPads. They're useful for study and entertainment.
Jerry looked down at his sneakers. The soles were worn out, and one lace was broken.
My sneakers are too old. I need a new pair, and my backpack is ripped inside. It's time to get a stronger one.
Lori smiled.
Perfect. Let's go shopping today.
They decided to make a list so they wouldn't forget anything. Jerry wrote carefully on a piece of paper: sneakers, hoodie, backpack, iPad. Lori tapped the paper with her pen.
And don't forget lunch at the food court. Shopping makes me hungry.
Of course, food is always on the list.
They also set a budget.
No more than $60 for sneakers.
My budget for a hoodie is under $50. I don't want to overspend.
Smart. Let's try to look for sales. Maybe we can save some money.
The two friends left the dorm and walked to the bus stop. The street was sunny, and the bus stop was busy with students and families.
Which bus goes to the mall?
Lori pointed at the sign.
Bus 25. It's only 15 minutes. We'll be there in no time.
When the bus arrived, they tapped their student cards. The bus was crowded, but they found 2 seats near the window. As the bus moved, they looked outside at the small shops and cafes passing by. Soon, the mall appeared in front of them, huge and full of people. The glass doors opened automatically, and the smell of fresh coffee drifted out from a cafe inside. They stopped in front of the big directory map. Jerry traced the map with his finger.
Clothing stores are on level 2.
The Apple Store is on level 3.
The food court is on level 1, near the cinema.
And the bag store is also on level 2. Perfect. Let's start with clothes.
They walked into a clothing store filled with bright lights and pop music. Mannequins stood near the entrance, wearing stylish jackets and sweaters. Lori asked politely,
Excuse me, where are the fitting rooms?
The clerk smiled and pointed.
Over there.
Lori picked up a medium-size yellow hoodie and went to try it on. The hoodie felt soft and warm.
That color looks good on you. It matches your style.
It's $45, but today it's 20% off.
Great, I'll buy it.
At the counter, she tapped her card. The clerk handed her the receipt.
Keep it for returns.
Lori put the hoodie into her tote bag. Next, they went to the shoe store. Rows of sneakers lined the shelves. Black, white, colorful, high top, low top.
Do you have these sneakers in size 9?
Yes, we have them in red and white.
Jerry couldn't decide which one was better. Lori looked at the shoes.
White looks cleaner and brighter.
Jerry asked the price. The clerk answered.
After discounts, it's $59.99.
Jerry thought for a moment and nodded.
I'll take the white ones.
He paid by card and left the store smiling. They walked to the bag store. Jerry looked around carefully.
I need a strong backpack for my laptop. My old one hurts my shoulders.
The clerk showed him a black backpack with padded straps and extra pockets.
This one is very popular. It's durable and comfortable.
Jerry tried it on. The straps felt soft, and the bag had plenty of space.
How much is it?
$49.99.
That's within your budget.
Perfect. I'll buy it.
The clerk handed him the bag and receipt. Then they went upstairs to the Apple store. It was full of people testing laptops, phones, and tablets.
I'm looking for an iPad.
The clerk showed her a model.
This one has 128 gigabytes, long battery life, and a student discount.
Is there a warranty?
Yes, 2 years. Free repair if it breaks.
Lori held the iPad in her hands. It was shiny and light. She wanted it for study and for fun.
That's good. I'll take it today.
At the counter, Lori tapped her card.
Here's your receipt. Don't forget to register online.
Lori carefully placed the iPad in her tote bag. Finally, they went down to the food court. The smell of pizza, burgers, and noodles filled the air. The place was busy with families, kids, and students everywhere. Jerry went to the burger stall.
1 cheeseburger combo, please.
$7.50. Card or cash?
Card.
Lori went to the sushi stall.
Can I get sushi and miso soup?
Sure, $9. Do you need chopsticks?
Yes, please.
They carried their trays and found a table by the window. Jerry bit into his burger.
Shopping makes me so hungry.
Lori took a bite of sushi.
Same. Best part of the mall is food.
They laughed together. Their feet were tired, but their shopping bags were full. Back home on the bus, Lori and Jerry looked at their bags. Lori had a hoodie and a new iPad. Jerry had sneakers and a backpack. They were satisfied with all their purchases. Of course, the delicious lunch was too. This was today's slow English story. A happy mall shopping day. I hope you learned some useful English and also discovered a little more about daily life in Canada. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.